I thank you guys for joining in today. We have another product review. Today we are going to be reviewing the Toshiba 49-inch Smart TV with Alexa built in. So this is going to be the Amazon Fire TV edition of the Toshiba TV. So first thing we noticed is it comes with this very nifty remote. This is a Alexa remote, so it has a microphone here which you can just simply talk to with tons of TV show movies or different applications as well. So very useful. So, and on the bottom of the remote you'll see there's some simple applications here where you have your, of course, Amazon Prime Video, you have Netflix, you have HBO, and your PlayStation Live. You just have 4 shortcuts there. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward, standard remote, very easy to use. I like the layout of it, I like the feel of it in the hand. Definitely has a good feel to it in the remote. Now, let's check out the TV. Alright, taking a look at the TV now. So what we have here, again, 49 inches of full resolution display, so 1080p, not 4K. So that is, you won't have those extra details there that you would normally have on a 4K TV, but still looks absolutely great. The brightness is very good as well, certainly pleased. My biggest drawback with this TV is going to be the internal speakers. So listening to the speakers, listening to different action movies, you don't have like any real bass at all, so you may want to take a look at getting a sound bar. Definitely recommended, especially with this TV. So what we have here, this is the home screen. So right now you have your recently used applications. On mine you can see Netflix, Amazon, all that. So it also has 3 HDMI inputs as well. Have your DVD player plugged in with the composite. So there's a bunch of different applications you can get. On the home screen you'll see just popular shows, and then you'll see your featured applications as well as games. And there's a whole bunch of different applications. You'll see that we have Hulu, you have all the news, you have Hallmark, you have all the sports, NBA, ESPN, you have some games, a whole bunch of different streaming services provided there as well. So again, Smart TV, you have all the standard that you would, just this one specifically caters to the Fire TV ecosystem there. But looks good. So especially with the voice remote, definitely a nice feature to have. But for $300, it's one of the best TVs that you're currently going to find. Right now, you'll find this TV on sale for $279.99, which is an absolutely great deal. 49 inches, voice remote, full Amazon TV features built in. So definitely really good. Again, the biggest drawback there is going to be the internal speakers and the fact that it's not a 4K or has that OLED, so you won't have those true great contrast ratios that OLED TVs offer. But again, keep in mind the price point for this TV. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review here. Make sure to subscribe. Lots more tech videos coming up. I know we have a whole bunch going on. Mobile World Congress is about to go on, so make sure to subscribe. We'll cover all that information, more product reviews, tech videos, all that good stuff. And I thank you guys for all your support. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Free Tech TV, and thanks for watching.